Parenting story time. My son has learned how to fake cough. Yeah, we're in the middle of a global pandemic. It is corona time across the globe. And my son wants to fake cough. Y'all, I had him at the grocery store the other day. We were going through the cookie aisle, right? He saw some cookies. You know them circus cookies, the pink and white ones? Oh, can't pass them bitches up. Well, he leans his little scrawny ass out the cart and is like, no, we are not getting those cookies. We got like 3 boxes of them cookies at home. Like, it ain't happening. My crotch goblin dead ass looks me in my eye and goes, and right before my son decided to, he took a big old gulp of his fruit punch out of his sippy. Yep, Mama was wearing a white t-shirt. I'm always wearing a white t-shirt, so he just, bleh! Fruit punch. Nice. Fruit punch titties! No, you are not sick. Don't start this shit. And he's like, and he starts gagging. And I'm like, there's some motherfucker. You know what? Put the damn cookies in the cart because we ain't doing this today. So here I am, walking through the grocery store. My fruit punch tatas on display. My kids. I should also mention, my son will not wear a face mask, okay? He has autism, he has sensory issues, he has a medical excuse. However, there's a face mask that he will wear. My son might have a mask from a slutty genie outfit that's just a bunch of glitter bedazzles. Well, he wears that like a champ, so I gave him his mask and said, put this on, crotch goblin. So here we are, walking to the grocery store. I got fruit punch titties. My son's wearing his stripper mask, coughing away. We get up to the checkout line. Oh, you parents of crotch goblins, you already know the checkout line sucks with kids, okay? It sucks. It's, I want one of those chocolate eggs. It's going to melt in 5 seconds before we even get to the car. It's like wrestling a greased up pig that isn't a pig and isn't covered in grease, but it's like trying to get dressed in a tornado, but there's a tsunami coming and it's right after a hurricane. It's just taking your kids through the checkout line sucks. And my son wanted more freaking candy, and I was like, no. Well, here's Carter. The lady in front of me turns around and she goes, like, he's not turning into a freaking werewolf, bitch, like he's fake coughing. My son looks at her and goes, achoo! Achoo! Just like that. That is the fakest motherfucking sneeze if I ever heard one. Y'all, this bitch pulled her hand sanitizer out, lathered it up to her frickin' elbows, and was like, oh. It's like, it's hand sanitizer. It's not holy water, but I mean, does it protect against crotch goblins? Because I might need some.